Good morning, Tfms. Here we are, we're in the Media Center today and we're working on a cell analogy project. And here's our gallery walk.
Cells are composed of many different organelles that help it function. In this project, the task was to take each part of a cell and compare it to a part of a fictional world and make an analogy. We then had to make a visual representation for each structure. We learned how to compare our body and cells to different worlds and how everything interacts and functions to contribute in making everything successful. Some of the examples shown are Jurassic Park, Tangled, SpongeBob, and a lot more. And now let's take a look at Zach Rosenthal's Minecraft cell analogy.
Welcome to Zach's cell analogy. The base has an obsidian wall around it. Like a real cell wall, the obsidian wall is tough, sturdy, and durable. There are holes in the wall to allow things to pass through. The inner fence surrounds all of the internal organs of the base, just like the cell membrane surrounds all organelles of a cell. All the empty space between structures is filled by air. This is analogous to how cytoplasm fills the empty space between organelles in a cell. The house is the control center of the base, as the nucleus is the control center of the cell. The house contains a map of the base, which is similar to how the nucleus contains information about the cell in the form of DNA. In a cell, lysosomes are responsible for getting rid of junk. In my base, the lava disposal system is where junk goes. This prevents overflow and leaves storage space for useful items. In a cell, chloroplast produces food and energy. In my world, the chloroplast is represented by a potato farm. These potatoes are sent to a super smelter where they are turned into baked potatoes, which give the player energy once eaten. In a cell, once food is produced by chloroplast, it needs to be broken down into energy by mitochondria. In my base, the super smelter represents mitochondria. The item transport system is a network of hoppers, water, and dispensers. Like the endoplasmic reticulum in a cell, this network is responsible for transporting items throughout the base. A vacuole stores nutrients, minerals, proteins, and sugar. Similarly, my base's storage room stores all resources the base produces. In the same way the Golgi complex is a cell's packaging system, my item sorter is my base's packaging system. Everything the base produces is sent to the item sorter. The item sorter then filters the items. The junk is sent to the lava disposal system and useful items are packaged in chests. While a cell's ribosome produces protein, the base produces iron. Iron is similar to protein in the way that it is needed for infrastructure. Almost all of the base is made of iron, it is the building block of the cell. Cells are the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. They are the building blocks of organic life itself. When cells come together, they can create amazing things.
Hope you guys enjoyed. TFMS signing off.